All right, welcome back, students and YouTubers. We are trying to learn art as quickly as possible. So today we're going to do a grid drawing. I'm not really going to draw, I'm just going to show you how I start. We have a full length one late from my older years long ago that I should put somewhere in the video somewhere. Anyways, so what we're going to do here is we're going to take our ruler here, and I folded this so we're just a little bit closer so you can see what's going on here. And I'm going to go over here, and I can either use centimeters or I could use inches. We're just going to go with inches real quick, and I have this multi-liner here, but it does not really matter. So we're going to go over here and line up. I'm going to move this so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I'm going to line up this line right here with this 0 right there, and then I usually put like a dot right here at the half. Then I'll put a longer one there, a dot right there, and a longer one here, a dot right here, and a longer one here, and continue. Okay, without moving the ruler, and what I mean it is by twisting the ruler or the paper, I keep it here because there's probably a small difference, just very small, when you actually go and if you rotate. So there's a dot here, here's a long line, here's a dot, long line, dot, long line. And then you're going to take this, and obviously I'm not going to do all this because I'm trying to do this fast. You're going to draw your line here, and I want to go to here and get that as best we can. Okay, so now let's just say we have those two. Okay, we'll go on the top here, the same thing we did. Line here, and I did print this image out that I painted earlier in the year, or actually late last year, out. So this is my image, but I didn't format it for the grayscale, so it's kind of dark with that print. But anyways, so here we have here. So what we do here, going on 3 minutes, I'm going to take our piece of paper here in our sketchbook or wherever, and then I'm going to put, what I usually do is I'll take something like centimeters here, and I'll put that 1 right there, and I'll go 0 right here. I'll move this down a bit. I'll do the same thing. Okay, and I would do this maybe 3 times per side. Usually 3 is a good number. And then I draw a line here. All right, this side is wider right here because we did not actually measure this one out. But these are our square inches, so this is 1 by 1, okay? So what you would do here is you'd draw this section right here, but I'd like to draw upside down, okay? Because what it's forcing us to do is to not think of this as an ear, but to think of this as a shape. So right here would be in this square, and so it's right around here. Somewhere around there, okay? If you really get worried, and so we're just doing the contours right here. If you really get concerned, what you do is you draw and divide it in half. And then you can look and draw this one in half. And realize that this thing is right about here. Okay. So this works on hand-eye coordination, the observational skills, telling your mind and your hand to listen and trust your eyes, because your mind is always going to tell you how something looks other than how it really looks. So this video would have taken me about 9 minutes, but we are going to compress this down. Please like, subscribe, and ask any question. Thanks.